Why not take it all apart? We don't have to take it all apart, just a little bit.
Is he going to turn it on again?
No, we're done. We're just going to put it back together now, buddy.
Is the bubbles not going to come up a pipe again?
I don't know. We're going to have to test it.
Well, we'll see if we do load.
Yes, when we do a load. You got it.
Yeah, but you'll see how it works.
That's right. That's right.
You're going to see that works now?
We are going to see how it works.
Okay, are you going to watch it how it goes?
We're going to wash it without any clothes. We're just going to start it, okay?
I'm going to do it without a clothes. Is it going to go jumper without clothes?
Yeah.
Is it going to go jingle jumper?
Yes, it is.
And I can't wait, but is it going to fill up with water?
Yes, sir. Ma'am,
Yes.
do you have anything maybe we could put up under here?
Yeah.